Oh, hey mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to this, Valentine's Day haul. Okay, so, first thing I got, and I got this, I think yesterday? Day before yesterday? I can't remember. But I got this at Dollar Tree, and it's Sweet Tarts Conversation Hearts, and they were only $1. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love them. It's so sugary. Anyways. I love the cute little sayings on them, you know. Okay, and then today at Dollar Tree, I always reuse these. I did forget my bag today, but I always reuse them for like garbage bags when I run out. So I'll just keep some over there, just to I keep forgetting my bags lately. It's just I need the minions. I need the minions. This is so cute. Anyways, so what I got was Goldenberg's peanut chews, and I tried these last this night before last. I got some at Dollar Tree night before last, but I ate all of them. So I decided to get some more. They taste exactly like Snickers, like a Snickers bar, but they're vegan. I couldn't believe that. I couldn't believe it. But yeah, those are really good. Oh my gosh, Easter's gonna be so much fun. Next, oh yeah, and everything's $1 at Dollar Tree. Okay, so next I got some Rockstar sugar-free. It's an energy drink. I mean, obviously, but yeah, I really like these. They're cute and no calories. And cause I'm trying to watch my figure. My jeans fit today. Oh my gosh, I was able to zip them up, and it was so much fun. And I was able to put my socks on afterwards, and I haven't been able to do that in a while. So that was nice. Next, I could not believe they had this. L'Oreal Colorista Semi-Permanent Color in Tangerine 40. Vegan, it says vegan right on the front. I didn't even notice. I probably should have been looking for that. But anyways, it says vegan right on the front. That's so cool. But yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair. I'm gonna dye my hair again. I'm gonna do another video. Because my hair's starting to kind of fade after the last one. So I gotta keep it, you know. Next I got some earbuds. Oh, and they come in a case. I didn't even notice that. But yeah, I just really need some new earbuds. My old ones broke. Because they had the thing where you control the volume on them, the little buttons where you control the volume, and that broke. So every time I plug them in, the volume would just go to 0, and it was really annoying. And I just didn't want to have to sit there with the headphones on and just keep pressing that button so that the volume would stay at a reasonable level. I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that. So yeah, I got these, and they're sparkly. They were the only ones that had sparkles on them. I really love sparkly things. So, and it looks like these do not have the volume control thing on them, which is a plus with me. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna pop these open. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is a nice case. Okay, how do I get it open though? How do I get it open? Out of there. Oh my gosh, am I gonna break this by accident? Okay, I got it. Oh yeah. It does not have volume control on it. Sweet. Oh, cool, they're colored. the little thingies are colored. Oh, that feels like it's gonna stick in there. Sometimes I have problems with them just like falling out, and I think I have big ear holes. But yeah, it looks like they do not have the volume control thing on it, which is such a big plus for me. And they're so cute. They're like blue and sparkly. And they come with this little thing. You just shove them in there or something. Okay, so I went to Family Dollar. It's been a long time since I've been there. And I got a couple of things. One thing is I got some LA Colors Conceal It Cover and Correct Concealer. I have been needing some concealer because, like, whew, I have just been looking rough lately. I've been doing a lot, and also during my time of the month, I always just like get really dark circles under my eyes. I look like a zombie, like ah! And you know, sometimes that's cool, but sometimes that's not. So, next, oh my gosh, I could not believe this, and I didn't have. Okay, so I had like $12 to spend. So I didn't have enough to get. There was also a Leonard Skinner CD, but I couldn't get them together. But I did need the concealer, and you know I can't get through Valentine's Day without candy. Anyways, I got sticks. The best of sticks for $6, and I could not believe that was only $6. Oh my gosh, you just don't know how long I've been wanting to get this. Like, some of their stuff. And, oh my gosh, I can't wait to listen to this. I can't wait to listen to this. Aww. No more soda in this. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go listen to this while doing some editing or something. And for now, I have to go, but until next time, I'm selling to you and your pirate crew.